Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about how to attract people in 90 seconds. This is a skill that can be incredible, helpful in both your personal and professional life. Whether you are trying to make a new friends, land a job, or close to a sale, being able to quickly build rapport with people is essential. In this video, there are 4 tips you can do to make a good first impression and attract people to you. In video, I will share some of my top tips. Tip number 1. Use open body language. This means keeping your arms uncrossed and your body facing the person you are talking to. It also means making eye contact and smiling. Open body language shows that you are confident and approachable. Tip number 2. Find common ground. People are more likely to like you if they feel like they have something in common with you. Find out what they are interested in and talk about it. Tip number 3. Be positive. People are drawn to positive people. Smile, laugh, and be upbeat. Tip number 4. Be genuine. People can spot a fake mile away. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. So these are my tips for how to attract people in 90 seconds. By following these tips, you can make a good first impression and build rapport with people quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to improve your communication skills.